Good morning, pure structure traders and YouTube for another morning market analysis live for you guys. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, I'll be giving you the major levels here and also going over some of any minor levels as well, if there is any on S&P. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. Had a lot of movement from the London session on some of the charts, so let's get into it. If you guys have not watched those London session market analysis videos, definitely recommended. We did have nice upward movement for S&P 500 and also oil. So it did have good a long opportunity on oil, but we'll show you what's been going on here. So for S&P 500, what are we looking for the U.S. session? So as we draw into the US session, couple areas, we want to see if we find the support right here at these 46, 47s first. You can see this is where we're slightly bouncing and finding a nice couple rotations at this area to push up. Resistance coming in 46.56, above that 46.65.75 and 46.69.50. Those are the two areas of resistance up above, so keep that in mind. I do, however, think if we do break below this area, looking for a retest and then maybe a continuation lower support underneath 46.28 and 46.23.75. I'd hate to short such a bullish trend going on, but if we do break below this area of 46.47, that's actually what I think may end up happening. So we'll watch to see what happens as we draw in a little bit closer towards the US session. Also, for those who want that short, it'd be better, if you could catch that top 46.56, but that's a little bit of a risky one. So again, the breakdown of that 47 and then a retest of 47 as resistance could end up bringing us lower into support to 46.28 and then 46.23.75. If we can't break that level, that's where we're going to be looking for this to bounce and give us another long opportunity for the move up. If we do break that level, next level down is going to be these 46.08.25s with prior resistance, and then below that you can see where we actually found supports right here, 45.95.25 and then 45.88. So we'll keep an eye out for that. Let's take a look at a smaller chart just to give you guys a little bit of a closer idea of what's going on here on S&P. So you can see nice rotational movement, one bounce, two bounces, three bounces, and we're trying to get this to push back up, but you can see starting to slow down as far as momentum is concerned. So we'll see how it actually moves as we get into the open. But again, resistance there could give us a nice double top to break us down. Again, looking for then a nice retest of that neckline and then a pull back down. You can kind of see where that VWAP is, 46.31.74 as of right now. So we'll see how high it gets when we get into that US session open. But that's an idea for the shorts. Either you get that double top at 46.56. If not, you look for a breakdown of 46.47 and then a retest for a fade opportunity. For those who want the trend continuation, 46.47, again, strongly bullish. You can continue to try this area as long as it holds that support. If not, look for this to break down and potentially try that area right there, 46.28 as the next area of support. So some good ideas that we got going here for S&P 500. Let's move over into gold. Take a look at what's going on with gold. So gold was anticipating the market to try to move. This is going to be a decent zone area right here at support, right between 1776.4 to 1775.1. Took a little bit of time. Resistance was really coming in at 1785.7. We did have a prior support here in this area, but the resistance was popping up a little bit higher. Nice double top coming in again at 1785.7. That was a good short area. Now we're going to be looking to see if gold can actually catch the support here for a bounce up higher. If we cannot do that, we may end up retesting this prior support here at 1779.7, and this is where you could end up seeing the market try to continue to the downside past these 75, 76s. Next level of support down below 1760, 1766.2. And then below that 1761.5. So just keep that in mind. But right now I may end up looking for an opportunity to go long, maybe even a little bit before the US session open, but we'll see what gold gives us here. Again, this is where we're going to be looking for the long. If not, our shorts are going to be right back, even either up here at 1779.7 to try to retest this support and go through it, or wait out till it comes right back up to 1785.7s, and then if we fail to get through, short that back down. Resistance above 85 is 89.1, 92.9, and then 96.1 as the next levels of resistance up. And again, supports down below 66.2 and 61.5 on gold. So some good decent opportunity we could have here. Moving over into crude oil. Crude oil also setting up. We did have a couple areas of interest. This prior area of support 71.63 that couldn't hold it and make a new high. We failed right at 71.88, and then we kind of just broke that level down, coming back using it as resistance. So this is going to be a key area to look out for. If we can't break that level again, this may be where oil comes back up and then retest, gives us a nice double bottom, and then looking to retest the support underneath, which is going to be right around these 71.13s. And then below that, key levels you're going to look out for if we continue lower is going to be here at these 70.93s, and then below that 70.64. So just keep that in mind. We could end up seeing this round back up like this. Again, we're bullish right now, so if you're trying to short, that is going to be a fade against the actual trend. For those who want the trend trade, you got to look out for the support happening. A conservative support here is going to be 71.13, and some other areas down below going to be these 70.93s and 70.64s for those who want the continuation of that bullish trend that we are seeing right now. But breaking below 71.13 could actually end up bringing us deeper down, so just keep that in mind. But right now, still strongly bullish, so if you could get some opportunities to go long, you can try that. A little bit of an area of support holding right now is going to be right around these 71.29, so you can also keep that level right here, a little bit of a zone as support. But other than that, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for our morning market analysis live for you guys for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We will be creating a little bit more content for you guys, and also some tutorial videos on some of the chart patterns we look for in trading. So keep your eye out for that as well. For those that want to trade during the London session, we do put up a morning, for a London market analysis for the London session traders as well. So keep an eye out for that. But other than that, that wraps it up. If you guys are going to continue to trade, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience, trade well. We will see you guys at the US session open for those who are part of pure structure trading. Hopefully these levels help you guys out to help prepare for some trading ideas when we get into the US session. You guys take care. Have a good morning. Bye, guys.